All right, so the inequality, for our more practice, our inequality of P is greater than or equal to 12 represents the possible number of points, P, that he can score to advance to the next level. So which is a solution to this inequality? So which one is going to be an answer? So what number is bigger than or equal to 12? So what number is greater than or equal to 12? Well, let's see. Is 4 bigger or equal to 12? No. How about 0? No, that's smaller. How about 13? Yep, that's bigger than. How about 9? Nope, that's smaller. So our answer here is going to be C. Ooh, let's do this one. All right, let's take a look over here. So after spending $3.75 on a magazine, Lorraine has $12.25 left. So the equation of x minus 3.75 or minus 3 and 75 hundredths equals 12 and 25 hundredths can be used to find the amount of money X Lorraine had before purchasing the magazine, which is a solution of the equation. All right, so I am going to give us a little bit of workspace here. All right, so all we're going to do is plug in our different amounts. So if we had x equals 16, so instead of x minus 3.75, we'll have 16.00 minus 3.75. Now, I will let you use a calculator. If you do 16 and 0 hundredths, so 16 minus 3.75 or $3.75, you get $12.25. Is that a solution? Is that equal to that? Yes, it is. So A should be our answer. Let's double check the rest. If we have $12.25 minus 375 or $3.75 minus $3.75, you get $8.50. That's not it. If it was $9 minus $3.75, 9 minus $3.75 is going to be $5.25. Nope, that's not $12.25 like you're looking for. And last but not least, let's do green. If we had $8.25 and you subtract $3.75, you get $4.50. And that's not the answer that we're looking for either, because we were looking for our $12.25. So our answer here is going to be A. And that's going to be it for our more practice. Great job!